This is the best penny stock to be buying right now. What's up, trend friends? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to see CCLD and why I'm extremely bullish on this ticker from the $1.50 levels that it's sitting at right now. With that said, my friends, hit the thumbs up button and now let's get into it. So CCLD did have a banger of a pre-market yesterday, but it led to a massive bloodbath in the regular market hours after we did get a risk-off markets from the S&P 500. Now, let's get talking about what makes CCLD different from every other ticker which we've seen come and go fast every single day. As always, the number one thing which we want to anticipate, guys, when it comes to figuring out what the future of a ticker looks like is understand what has the past looked like, right? So when we, there's a great saying, it goes, when in doubt, zoom out. And when you zoom out on this chart, right, what you see is that you see a pretty normal chart, right? You see a pretty normal chart of a ticker, right? Now, some of you guys may be like, oh, Sam, it's head and shoulders, blah, blah, blah. Oh my God, it's sold off and then when it pumped and it dumped. No. Let me show you what a pump and dump looks like, okay? Let's go to a ticker like, for example, CRVO, okay? This was another ticker which was trending yesterday, right? This is what that looks like, right? When you zoom out on this ticker, this is what you see. What do you see? Pump, dump, sell off. Mind you, these are, when it comes down here, right, we're zooming in here now, right? Zoom in, look at this. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. Then we get closer, pump, dump, 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 pump, and dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, lower lows, pump, dump, reverse split, pump, dump, 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 right? Over and over again. Then you compare this to the chart of CCLD. Pretty normal chart, right? Higher highs, maybe some pullback due to market conditions, but it looks like we still got room to go. So what makes CCLD be such a great candidate for a long, in my opinion, was also the news that they had, right? A lot of times, guys, we have companies running just based off of sheer volume. Now, the thing about volume is that volume is fleeting. Just as fast as it comes, just as fast as it fades away, especially when you're trading penny stocks like we do, right? They're very volatile. So a fart could cause them to freaking squeeze all the way to the upside, right? So it's important for you guys to understand what the catalyst is that the stock is actually moving on off of, so you can actually anticipate the longevity of the move and whether or not this is going to be a multi-day run or even a multi-hour run. But guess what? Majority of these tickers which we trade, they don't even give us multi-day runs, right? Or multi-hour runs. Majority of them are like multi-minute runs, right? Because that's how fast they pump and that just as fast they dump, okay? So there's that. So let's go ahead and talk about the CCLD catalyst that we had about a day ago. So the company came out and actually beat on their earnings, which is an amazing feat, right? It's an amazing look for the company, considering this is actually a legitimate company. So let's go ahead and head to our ranking system, guys. So when we go to our ranking system, we're going to put the breaking news as good, okay? The breaking news is actually good. Now, it's not amazing, it's not great, no, it's just good, okay? Beating earnings is amazing, but it's nothing to, it's not the greatest catalyst we've seen. Now, let's talk about volatility of this company. So when it comes to the volatility of this company, this is a company which does only have a market cap of 26 million with only a shares float of 8.5 million. So it is extremely volatile considering it's sub 50 million market cap, right? Sub 50 million, it's going to be very volatile for us, okay? Now, let's move on to the company's cash on hand, okay? Actually, let's go ahead and let's talk about the shorts first. So when it comes to the shorts on this ticker, let's go ahead and put it in our CCLD. Shorts. Very good, look at this. This is exactly what you want to see. The past 7 days, 51% of the shorts have fled. 51% of the shorts have fled. Now, the past day, have we gotten an increase of 37% in the shorts? Yes, we have. But guess what? This is nothing against the previous 1.5%, right? So previous 3%. So overall, right now it's sitting at 2%. Last week it was at 3%. There's been a 30% drop off. There's been a 30% drop off in shorts the past week alone. Why is this a good look? This is a good look because the same way us longs close out our position when we believe that the stock is overextended to the upside and it's expensive now, okay? Shorts, the people that short stocks, close out their positions when they think that the stock is cheap and it is overextended to the downside. So when we see that in the past 7 days, it's down 51%. Well, today it's up again 40%, but it's sitting at 2%. So today's sitting at 2%. Last week was up 3%. That would be a difference of 30%. So overall, since including today, the past week, the stock's short interest is down by 30%. So when we take that into account, that 30% of the shorts believe that the stock has reached its bottom and now it's too cheap to short, that's a great look for us. That is a great look for us. And I think that this is the biggest misconception, where so many people think that it's good to go long, right? Oh, shorts are increasing, go long, go long. What's wrong with you? No, don't go long. Don't do it, okay? Don't go long. Go long, go wrong, okay? Bam. Now, moving on to the company's financials. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and put our shorts as well. Shorts looking amazing as well. Now, let's talk about the probability of them rug pulling us. The probability of them rug pulling us. First, let's talk about their cash. Okay, let's talk about their cash. So, when it comes to the company's cash, the company is actually cash flow positive. How often do you see this? Tell me, how often do you see this in the markets? How often do you see this, my friends? A company bringing in $5 million every quarter. How often do you see? You don't ever see this. You don't ever see this. Okay, point being, you don't ever see this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. Amazing. Now, let's talk about the probability of them diluting and rug pulling us. Historically low, overhead supply is low, offering ability is low, cash in is low. They don't need to dilute. Why would they dilute? Institutional ownership's 11%, above 10%, looking good. Very low chance of them diluting us as well. Let's talk about the chart now. So overall, this is why it's a buy. This is why it's a buy, okay? There you go. Right here, you guys can see. Now, let's talk about the chart. So when it comes to the chart, I would slowly buy some right now. I'll be honest with you guys. Now, it does have room to go all the way down to, 116-ish, 125-ish. It can head down to these levels. I wouldn't be surprised if I see it around these levels, right? But for me, 150 is a buy. I think 150 is a buy. I think 150 is perfectly reasonable buy, okay? And if it dips closer to 1, I'll add more. It's that simple, right? Because again, this is a company that is doing legitimate things that actually has a catalyst going for it. It's a buy. For me, it's a buy. Now, remember, it's not financial advice. Do what you like, but we would be buying it in our Discord. Also, speaking of the Discord, our Discord, which gives you access to exactly when I buy stocks, when I sell stocks, my whole portfolio breakdown, okay? Different small account challenges. We're taking a $2,500 account to $25,000. We're taking a $10,000 account to $100,000. Comes with alerts, entries, exits, position sizing. Every single thing is right now on sale. The next 10 members that join, they get access to it for a 50% discount. And guess what? Not only do you get a 50% discount, it also comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. No one else is offering this. No one else is offering this. Check it out, okay? Check it out. I promise you guys will not regret it. So, comes with lessons, comes with one-on-one access to me, comes with a chat, which you guys can ask me any questions every single day. And I also live day trade. I stream for you guys 3 days per week, where you can come on the Zoom call and ask me questions. Hey, what do you think about this, Sam? What do you think about that? Check it out. Check it out. What I would do, honestly, guys, if I was in your situation, I would do this, okay? I would do this. I would join for the first 7 days, considering it's free anyways. It's a free trial. Then if I see, hey, am I making money? Okay, I'm making money. I'm sticking around. Am I not making money? Okay, I'm not making money. Fuck this place. I'm leaving. That's it. It's that simple. It's that simple, okay? It's not like I'm not asking you guys to do rocket science or anything like that. It's really that simple, okay? And the moment you join, we fill out a complete system for you to achieve profitability. And we're serious, man. We're really serious about getting people to come back every single month. And that's why we have over 700 members, right? We have over 700 members coming back month after month after month. We trade options, we trade stocks, we swing trade, we day trade. And depending on how many hours per day you can actually trade and apply yourself, we come up with a system as to what alerts to follow best that will suit you in order to get you to profitability. So it is a very, very customized system for at the end of the day, right? Not one shoe fits all, and different people have different priorities. Some people want to trade less, make less money, and you have more time on their hand, right? Some people are still working full-time jobs, so it's hard, right? It's hard to say exactly what's going to happen. So there's that. With that said, my friends, I wish you guys the best of luck, whether it's in trading or everyday life. Thank you for watching. Happy in trading. I look forward to meeting the traders, all of you guys in Top Trader Academy. And that's it. Thank you. Your boy Sam from Top Trader Academy.